Go get it, Bill. Yes.
Oh boy.
Wasn't that fun?
Oh,
Here, I'll do it.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes, Stella.
No, it's rather too bad that she didn't have the same.
Good girl. Good girl. Let's do it one more time for the lady.
The dog
For the
that I had-
lady.
that we had on the ranch was a bird dog, the Llewellyn Setter, and she'd go pheasant hunting.
Okay, here we go. One last time. One last time. Good girl.
The nicest person in the world.
Good girl, Stella.